Hey guys, I'm going to be teaching you how to add skyscraper and leaderboard ads to your publication today. So what you want to do first is go to your media library over here and add a new media asset. So we're just going to call this skyscraper. It should be a JPEG. Choose a file. Now it's important for the width of the skyscraper ad to be 120 and the height to be 600. Just a URL for it to redirect to. I'm just going to leave it as PageTurnPro.com. And let's call this skyscraper 1. Submit that. There you go. I've already added the leaderboard similarly, but let's just make another. Now your leaderboard should be 728 by 90 pixels. Alright, now let's go to My Publications over here. Hit our little plus sign and go to the Media Manager. Alright, what we want to do is an external placement, and let's select all of these. Skyscraper left. And leaderboard. Let's hit update there. Now if we go back to My Publications and take a look at our digital catalog, we should see our ads right here. Alright, thanks for watching.